Hi guys, this is one of those videos which I had no plans about making, but here I am after my CPU fan got busted. I found that it's a common issue with Asus TUF laptops that after 2 to 3 years your CPU will go bad no matter what. I ordered the fans, we are gonna change both of the fans, the CPU and the GPU once both, and the fans look like this. These are gonna cost you around 2500 to 3000 INR. I'm attaching a video right now about how the fans are sounding right now versus how it was originally. This is how the fans are sounding right now. I'm not sure if you're able to hear it. And if we go through the G helper menu, we can see that the fans, CPU fans are running at only 200 RPM versus 3400 of the GPU fans. I'm away from home and don't have access to other tools as well. We have to make do with this screwdriver only. Let's see how it goes. First, we're gonna unscrew the laptop. It is a standard procedure which I'm gonna show you. Our fan is not rotating, as you can see, it's also making some weird noises. Wait, let me just show you. A new fan is supposed to rotate like this, smoothly and freely, but our one is just stopping midway. We're gonna replace this, and also we're gonna replace the GPU fan. So what am I gonna do with another new one? I won't have to open the laptop in case it goes bad. First we're gonna unscrew this one. Let me just show you how to pull this out. You can pull out the old fan, which is the busted one. Take the new one, pull the heatsink towards you, and try to slide it in, and then your new fan is fixed in its place. Just when it will screw it down. Langsung kita connect dulu. Let me boot up G helper right away. And yes, as you can see, our CPU fan is back to 2200 RPM, so is the GPU fan. Here you can see the CPU fan is rotating. Our work here is done. As a part of our final test, let's boot up Chrome or some games and see how it performs. CPU fans are working.